This is, that's dead. Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Tamara, and if this is your first time here, this is a channel where I create DIYs, I make home decor. I also do all kinds of other random hacks that I feel like creating. So if you're interested in any of those things, please do subscribe because I release videos once a week. For everyone else, welcome back. Thank you so much for joining me. See, there's a few new subscribers, so I just want to say thank you so much for subscribing and joining me on this YouTube journey. So today's video is all about how I'm going to use fake plants to style my side of the bedroom. Oh, and side note, when I'm designing, I always have in mind like my little workspace rearranger. In the back of my mind, I don't know why, but I'm obsessed with like little boutiques, and you know the window displays that you see, I absolutely love that, and I'm always trying to recreate that in my own space. I love having that feeling of when you walk through and you kind of feel like you're shopping in your own home. If you like that too, let me know in the comments. Now, I wanted to use fake plants because I'm having an issue where I keep putting live plants on my side and they die. We get a ton of sunlight, so I'm thinking that they're probably being scorched. The solution to not having them die on me is using faux plants. Another reason you may want to use fake plants, you might have pets or you might have killing things, want the look without having to commit to the watering. My solution, faux plants. I looked around online, and again, I'm gonna have to default here to the Dollarama. They have exactly what I'm looking for and the right price. Like you'll see right behind me, this is a little bit of what I've done. So these plants are so comparable to like CB2, Anthropologie, The Bay, HomeSense, any of those stores. You know, if you're looking for affordable, cute greenery to spruce your space up, then you know, check out your local Dollarama. If you're curious to see how I styled these fake plants, then stay tuned because I'm gonna show you. So I'm thinking of adding greenery all around here, but again, it would be faux. I've seen a ton of live walls, which are absolutely beautiful, but I don't want to commit to too much. So I was thinking if I just draped some greenery through here, some faux plants, that could look very beautiful. These are all the faux plants that I picked up. So they come like this in different pieces, and they're super bendy and well, not mystical, just fairy tale like. These ones are more bamboo-y, so I've got two of the fairies, two of the bamboo, and then let's just say we'll call these little hearts, and then 4 of the hearts. All right, here is these green bags. The most of, ooh, those stick together. So if you purchase these, careful, they stick together so much. So I'm really just gonna grab these. One kind of hang over. Stick it kind of in over. Another one hangs over like that. Careful, these things like to pull off crazy. So sticky. Alright guys, so this is the space that I am currently working with. It's a tad bit cold, and I just want to warm it up. Just thinking maybe like right here. Oopsies, real life. Here. You know, I think I like it right here much better. That way you're feeling like it's flowing. Alright, yeah. So this is the stuff that I pulled from around my apartment that I wasn't using and I think could look really nice in that space. Sadly though, I bought these little plants and they are dying. I mean, this one's doing okay, but I don't know. I'm gonna plant them and see if I can bring them back to life. It just would be such a shame. I just got them, so that's such a pity. But I have faith that they will come back. So that's how I decorated my little space using faux plants. Pretty stoked on how they turned out. I think it looks really cute, and the best part, I don't have to worry about watering them. I know they're not gonna get scorched by the sun. Does it look tropical? Let me know in the comments what you think. Are you a fan of the faux plant? Can you tell they're fake? Would you use fake plants? I'd love to know. So I'm pretty excited about how it turned out. Thanks so much for joining me. See you in my next video. Take care, guys.